Then this person is asking, what's your advice on maintaining and repairing Samaya? Of course, there are so many methods Buddha presented in Sutric journey and also Tantric journey. I'm sure you're doing to some extent every day. If you engage in sadhana practice contain that aspect, purification aspect, also accumulating merit aspect, both combined in the sadhana. Sadhana is a manual, manual for accumulating merit and purifying and meeting deities, and transformation manual. So what the kind of purification that you are doing or you heard about?
Vajrasattva?
Yeah, Vajrasattva is the one we do when we engage in highest yoga tantra. For example, Vajrayogini practice, long sadhana has a Vajrasattva. However, when we do the Heruka Vajrasattva Yavim purification, we have to have those 4R. I call it's easy to memorize, 4 powers. 4 things have to be all present in order to purify the, for example, one specific karma. What are they? This is kind of technical review, but it's important to know. Regret. So start with R. Regret, remorse, healthy remorse. It's not a guilt trip. So that's the first one. Feeling of genuine remorse is good.
Promise, but I don't know, it's not an R, but it's promise not to engage in.
Resolve, committing not to repeat that harmful action. We have to have that, okay, I can purify the Vajrasattva, so anyway, so I can repeat doing this habitual patterns. That doesn't work. You need this resolve, strong resolve and commitment not to repeat that harmful action. And
Reliance.
What are they?
Relying upon refuge and bodhicitta.
When we create action, we created a negative action, either toward the sentient being or the awakened being, like awakened one or non-awakened one. When you create it toward the non-awakened one, then generate a compassion. So that's a kind of reliance, or that's the one thing. And if you create it for the 3 jewel, for example, the awakened one, maybe you created a negative thought about the Buddha or the Lama or Idam, then that's the refuge. That's the recognition. You need to recognize. So identifying the support or basis, either awakened ones or sentient beings. So that's the recognition. You need to do that. Then finally, redirection. That's the antidote. Engaging in actions that serves as an antidote. Then Vajrasattva is one of them. In highest yoga tantra, Heruka Vajrasattva. And what else? What else means like we already did, right? Recognition, regret, resolve, and redirection. That is the antidote. Those 4 have to be all together. So specifically, what kind of antidote we do? Vajrasattva practice.
So the burning of like that Vajradhara.
You're talking about Samaya Vajra or something? Sesame seed burning. Of course, those specific practice. Yes, Chok is the perfect. That's why you heard so many times from me. Not from me, the great lamas, not like me, but Chok is the must to attend and do to purify. Perfect opportunity to purify and restore the broken commitment. Therefore, we are so fortunate. Those Buddhas created this opportunity, Dakini Day, specific day. We do this ritual to purify. Chok feast offering, especially with the deity. If you practice Vajrayogini, then Vajrayogini Chok. And Heruka, then Heruka Chok. So performed twice a month is the best for tantric practice. It's about the highest yoga tantric commitment, right? It's commitment. And so at least 2 ingredients in a Bala Madana. If you have that, you can do Chok. Bala is meat, little bit of meat. And Madana is alcohol, liquor. Those 2 things. Then rest of that you can visualize. And then you can do a beautiful practice. So I really encourage you guys to join the group practice. Then of course 8-line praise. It's easier to recite now. You all got used to it, and that's perfect to purify and accumulate karma, especially this deity, making connection with this profound deities, and also in some configuration and so forth. There are so many. and the prostration to the 35 Buddhas in our tradition. Also, Ngondo practice. There are so many. Especially from tantric point of view, we are already, in a sense, perfect and pure, the core of who we are in Buddha nature, right? So we need ambe, we need to purify, then we need to put the fertilizer, cultivate. So that the actions become more important on the tantric journey. Sometimes on the tantric journey is a quick path and an easy path or something like that. Actually, now you guys started to know that's not the case. Yeah, very profound, and more need to pay attention to those details. Karmic cause and effect works because it's empty. We started to kind of get the smell of emptiness. Then we started to really pay attention to this. We're not going to miss that talk. If we miss the talk, for example, feels like something broken, like when you have a kind of partner or something, or the certain days you meet with him or her, and if you didn't show up, something breaks. We need to repair those things. There are lots to talk about karma, but that's it for now, I guess.